Good morning, dear students. In previous period, we discussed about the human body, about the internal body organs, which organs present inside our body, such as brain, heart, lungs, then windpipe. These are some internal organs. These are some internal body organs. Some are external body organs also, like nose, eyes, mouth. These are external body organs. Means हम उसे बाहर से देख पाते हैं, अपनी आंखों से देख पाते हैं. That are the external body organs. Now, ear is partly internal body organ and it is the partly external body organ. हमें कुछ पार्ट उसका बाहर से दिखता है और कुछ पार्ट उसका बॉडी के अंदर होता है. दैट इज द about the ear. And we discuss about the respiratory system also. और हमने respiratory system के बारे में भी देखा था कल. What is respiratory system? Respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe and lungs. जो भी हम एयर लेते हैं, जो भी हम ब्रीथ करते हैं, ब्रीदिंग जो एयर करते हैं, दैट एयर वी टेक फ्रॉम आवर नोज. वो हम नोज से लेते हैं. देन दिस एयर गोज थ्रू द विंड पाइप. नोज से वो एयर पास आउट होके विंड पाइप में जाती है. And then from there it goes into the lungs. वहां से वो lungs में जाती है. And there it mix with the blood. Then it supplies to the blood for the purification. और blood उसे क्या करता है? रिफाइंड क्या देता है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड which we breathe out. जो हम ब्रीथ आउट करते हैं, जो हम एयर बाहर देते हैं, that is the carbon dioxide. And all this process is known as the respiratory system, which consists of nose, windpipe and then lungs. Now today we discuss about the digestive system of our body, of human body. Human body में हम जो भी खाना खाते हैं वो ब्लड में कैसे कन्वर्ट होता है, क्या प्रोसेस से जाता है, सो दैट और विच ऑर्गन्स हेल्प दैट. सो दीज वी डिस्कस इन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम.
Organs that work together to digest food form the digestive system. जो organs digestive system form करते हैं, that are known as the organs of the digestive system. The organs of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine and the anus. These are the organs of digestive system. Now see students, now we discuss about the process of digestion. हम digestion किसे बोलते हैं? When you take the food into the mouth, वहाँ पे वो food को हम finely chew करते हैं. After chewing this food, some saliva present in the mouth that mixes with the food. जो भी माउथ में saliva present होता है वो food में mix होता है. And then afterward that food passes into the food pipe. Then after that this food goes into the stomach. वो फूड जो हमारा फूड पाइप में है वो फूड पाइप से होके कहाँ पे पहुँचता है? स्टमक में. एंड देयर फूड रिमेन्स फॉर सम टाइम्स. वहाँ पे उसमें कुछ जूसेस मिक्स होते हैं जो हमारी बॉडी सिक्रेट करती है. एंड आफ्टर सम आवर्स, आफ्टर फ्यू आवर्स, देन इट गोज इनटू अ लॉन्ग नैरो ट्यूब कॉल्ड द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. फिर वहाँ से वो फूड कहाँ पे जाता है? इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. नाउ सी व्हाट इज digestion. As the food passes from the mouth to the small intestine, it breaks down into simple useful substances. The process of breaking down of food into simple useful substances that can be used by the body is called डाइजेशन. जो बॉडी हमारी यूज कर सकती है ऐसे सिंपल सब्सटेंस में कन्वर्ट करने वाली जो प्रोसेस है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, डाइजेशन. दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ डाइजेशन इज कंप्लीटेड इनटू स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ओनली. ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में ही कंप्लीट हो जाती है. देन दिस सब्सटेंस आर एंटर द ब्लड. ये जो सब्सटेंस है ये ब्लड में एंटर होते हैं एंड कैरीड टू द एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द body, and those substances are undigested present in the blood that goes into the large intestine, and that waste is removed from the body through the anus. जो भी हमारे बॉडी का जो वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है, जो अनडाइजेस्टेड पार्ट है, जो बॉडी के ब्लड में एंटर नहीं हो रहा है, that part remove from the anus.
And again today we discuss about the excretory system of human body. जो भी हमारे बॉडी का वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होता है वो बॉडी से बाहर कैसे जाता है, which body organs are present there, that we discuss in excretory system.
What is excretory system and how the excretory system works in human body? Now see students, living organisms work all the time. Living organisms all the time works करते हैं and that's why some waste product is formed in their body. उनकी बॉडी में वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होता है that you have to remove from the body. Excretion is the process of removal of waste products formed in the body of living organisms is called excretion. Excretory organs. Some organs of our body such as lungs, kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra and skin are involved in removing waste from the body. They are called excretory organs. Now let's see the picture. Here you see the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra are the organs of excretory system. Now see students, excretory system. The excretory system consists of organs which remove waste and toxins from the body. Kidneys. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs. They are the main organs of excretory system. They filters the blood and pass the waste products through the ureters in the form of urine. This is the picture of kidney.
Now this all. So students, what we discuss today? Today we discuss about the digestive system of human body. Which body organs are help to digest the food, or which body organs are part of our digestive system, and another is the excretory. So whatever we discuss here, now let's read the chapter. So for that you have to take out your textbook. Now students, for reading the chapter you have to take out your science textbook and open page number 60. Digestive system. Organs that work together to digest food form the digestive system. The mouth food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine are organs of the human digestive system. We chew food in the mouth. From the mouth, the food passes into the food pipe. The food goes into the stomach through the food pipe. Here, the food remains for a few hours and then goes into a long and narrow tube called the small intestine. As the food passes from the mouth to the small intestine, it breaks down into simple, useful substances. The process of breaking down of food into simple, useful substances that can be used by the body is called digestion. Now, take out your page number 61. The process of digestion is completed in the small intestine. The useful substances from the digested food enter the blood and are carried to every part of the body. From the small intestine, the undigested food goes into the large intestine and it removed from the body through the anus. Now, take out your page number 63. Excretory system. Your body works all the time. As it works, it produces waste. These waste mix with the blood. Hence, the blood has to be clean. Organs that remove waste from the blood form the circulatory system. The kidneys, ureters and urinary bladder form the excretory system. The cleaning of the blood is done by the kidneys. They work as filters and remove waste from the blood in the form of urine. See students, here that excretory systems diagram is given. These are the kidneys. This is the blood vessels. This is the ureter and this one is the urinary bladder. This is the diagram of the excretory system. So that's all for today. Hope you understand the concept. Have a nice day. Thank you and bye students.